gymnastics. Are you going to get your turn? Actually, I'm changing. Okay, then, Cookie. I think you're going to know what to do. Good. See about that one, we get two gymnastics. I got 65 medals. First place, second. Well, second place was the pudding, and we need roast big fat trophy. And then fourth, first place, first. There goes. The gymnastics now, and then good. So, no. So, this is how it goes. I want it. Everything for you. Oh, I want more. Mama, Dad, I'm gonna ride. Falling back for you, I'm gonna fall. And you will push me down. I'm on a train, I'm having lots of fun. But then you push me down. Do not, one more time. I'm not on the stick. Do it on your grave. I think I know the song. Good, do it on your grave. You are from the somebody felt the heart go up to the universe. You never break. I'm glad you, I'm glad you. Somebody felt the heart go up to the universe. You never break again. I'm glad you, I'm glad you. That stuff, is that you stay, is that you stay, is that you stay, cause I know what you want, I know how you're gonna feel, how you're gonna feel. Cause I know who's on the phone, listening to the game. Okay, girls, now let's do all part. Push you down, you bring me up, I push you down. You up to be afraid. You bring me up, I take you down, 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 down. Tell me feel like the sun again, again. It's in the dark, and I can see. It's gonna do it. You should have known. Okay, that's it. So yeah, I love this. Let's do it. Ruin, ruin all. Mom, mom, mom. Because you can make a private talk and put your type back on. Mom, you was meant to have a new Oh, are you talking about me? I'm not putting my type back on. It's practice.